Yup. Yup. You know what that is? Another sneaker bag. Another sneaker bag. I have no words. Let's just get into it. Wow. Another ASICS box. As you guys can see, I have been looking forward to these for a very long time. Great box, and it is a 10.5. Now, I'm not gonna lie, going into this unboxing, I did find out that they sent 2 confirmation emails for the same shoe. So this could possibly be the same shoe. Okay. And the sneaker picker for today is going to be on. Oof. The Gel Diablo. Oof. Sheesh. That's perfection right there. That is just straight up perfection right here. Now this sneaker is the ASIC Gel Diablo. Now when it comes to this sneaker, I picked up this shoe and another ASICS model when ASICS was having this huge sale on eBay. They were honestly giving away shoes for 20 bucks. And yes, I mean giving away, because this is a $140 shoe. Look at that right there. Like, that's just insane. And then you also see a little hit of leather right here too. Oh yeah. A lot of people only wear Jordans and Yeezys and Air Forces, all white, Uptowns, G Fazos. Listen, bro. Step outside the box, bro. Try out some ASICs. Try out some Diodoras. I bought these for $20. And I'm not gonna lie, the quality is better than almost all Jordans I've tried out. So go ahead and check those out. Stop sleeping. I had to give it to the ASICS Gel Diablo in this super cool blue turquoise colorway. I'm going to nickname these the Sues, the Tsunamis, you feel what I'm saying? So I got the Tsunami Diablos over here, you feel me? Now added into the personal collection. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. If you guys want a review and on foot review, smash up that like button and I'll get that out for you. But all I have to say is, hey, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out.